I'm going to show you how to make a Bali Hai. We're going to start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass, and to that we are going to add 1 ounce of gin. Any brand of gin will do, so just pick your favorite. And 1 ounce of rum, just like so. Then we're going to add in just a splash of amaretto, just to give it a little bit of almond flavor. There you go. And sour mix, about a 2 count of sour mix. All right, we're going to go ahead and shake this up. All right. Go ahead and grab a highball glass, and you're going to pour this into your highball glass. Just like that. And then we're going to top this with some nice cold champagne. And that's going to make it nice and bubbly and effervescent. You're going to see a really beautiful separation of color here between the top and the bottom. Add in your stirry straw, and if you would like, you can garnish this with a wedge of orange. And there you have it, a Bali Hai. Cheers.